Okay, hey everyone. Imagine a world without water. There wouldn't be any life. So our objective was to put together a workshop, talk about the urgency of this challenge in the future world. And we come at it as a group of primarily engineers, all with sort of interdisciplinary interests in energy, sustainability, and climate. And so I'm Rich Simmons. I was a co-leader of this workshop that was hosted in June. And as I said, Dr. Rodin couldn't be here today. Shannon and Akanksha Menon, also leaders in this effort. And between the four of us, hosted this workshop, a bunch of diverse experts from national labs, foundations, such as the Gates Foundation. I think we had NREL there, we had a couple companies, and then a number of academic researchers. The idea was just talk about water, the future of water, the existing challenges. A big takeaway was the dichotomy between our emphasis in the United States on technology and innovation and the global need in the global south, and making sure that we don't miss the opportunity to do something very impactful that might be at a lower TRL level for us. So I'm reading you the Cliff Notes version of my Cliff Notes. But we did identify challenges. We made headway in talking about desalination. Some of us are heavily involved in the water energy nexus. Several of our projects relate to DOE earthshots, energy storage, the combination of water resources, but also water for electricity production, processed water for oil and gas, a lot of the environmental implications of that. I think there were some very concrete next steps developed. We formed a couple of proposal teams, and I'm happy to say since the workshop in June, we've just submitted a foundation grant to Schmidt Science as a virtual water center. And then we've just released a short video on the MacArthur 100 and Change Challenge around just sanitation. And we don't have the opportunity to show it today, but actually Angel Cabrera narrates this little 1-minute video, so I encourage you to see that, because it highlights the work that our Georgia Tech has done on the Bill Gates Reinvented Toilet project, which has a huge water and energy implication. And then we're planning for efforts to bridge the gap, thinking a lot about campus level demos, but how do we make sure they're representative of something larger? What's the next level? How do we do something at the city level? With the very complicated understanding that your technology and conversion path is highly sensitive to the water quality and the water resources in your region, as well as your demands. So if it's for a city, or if it's for a large industrial complex, or if it's for agriculture, you have to also consider this systems approach. And so I think I'll wrap there and just say that we do need to think about how to reconcile our focus on local and domestic needs versus the global needs. And I think we're always looking, like everyone, for funding. But events like this are really encouraging because we see those interconnections between our disciplines. So thank you very much for your time.